Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Many Apple customers are complaining that they get notifications silenced on their message thread. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1 is turn off Do Not Disturb under the focus. Firstly, tap on Settings application on your iPhone. The next thing you should do is to look for the focus section in the settings. Now tap on Do Not Disturb at the top of the page. Here turn off Do Not Disturb switch. Method 2 is turn off focus. To do this, tap on Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Messages. Turn off focus under the messages. Method 3 is turn off share across devices. To do this, open the settings app on your iPhone. The next thing you should do is to look for the focus section in the settings. Here you have to turn off share across devices. Method 4 is turn off share with messages. Launch Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Again scroll down and tap on Focus under the Privacy. Here you have to turn off messages. Turn off Sleep Schedule. To do this, launch Settings application on your iPhone. On the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Focus. Here you have to tap on Sleep. On the next page, you have to turn off Sleep Schedule. That's it. So friends, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.